Hi everyone and welcome back to Edulap. Have you ever created a pivot table and found it cluttered with blank cells where there's no data? These gaps can make your report look unfinished or even confusing to read. Now, you might try to click a cell and type a 0 manually, but as you can see, Excel won't let you edit the data directly within the pivot table layout. To fix this for the entire table at once, first, make sure you have any cell selected inside your pivot table. Then head up to the ribbon and click on the Pivot Table Analyze tab. On the far left of the menu, click on Options. This opens up the Pivot Table Options dialog box. Stay on the Layout and Format tab and look for the Format section. You'll see a setting that says 4 empty cells show. Make sure that box is checked, and in the input field next to it, simply type a 0. Once you hit OK, you'll see that every blank space in your table is instantly filled with a 0, making your data look much more professional and complete. And here is a pro tip. You don't have to use numbers. If you prefer, you can go back into those options and type a phrase like not available or NA. When you click OK, Excel updates every empty cell with that text instead. Let's switch it back to 0 to keep our formatting clean. It's that simple. Your pivot table is now much easier to read and analyze. If you found this Edulap tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.